Hi viewers, good morning, good morning, good morning to you all. These are your ladies again from the Life Plus Company International. I am Zenobia Munyangala Chilaka. Your ladies are here again to show you how they prepare their breakfast every morning before they go out for their house chores or for their outside work. Guys, today I am here to tell you about our business opportunity. We are members of the Life Plus Company International. We are doing a referral marketing. Our business is a referral marketing business where when you consume our products and you are satisfied, whoever you refer, the company compensates you for doing that referral. You know, we have other places that we buy. We buy from Amazon, we buy from other companies, we buy shoes from shops, and we refer our friends to go and buy as we bought for nothing, because they will go and buy, but you will not get any compensation because you referred somebody because of their good products to go and buy from that supermarket. Here in Life Plus, we do it online, but you get paid for directing somebody to them to buy also from them. It is not bring one, bring two, bring three, or two people, bring two people, then they pay you. No. Here in our Life Plus Company, in a month, just bringing somebody that bought in your company, the company compensates you for that. And in Italy, I want to be specific about Italy, because in Italy, it is a business for real. All those that are looking for contracts, moving up and down to buy contracts, 1,000 euros, 500 euros, come to Life Plus. You have your contracts for free. They give you a contract because you are a customer. Then with that contract, so far as you are referring people, it must not be your family members. You can just take, they give you an ID card. There are charotas. If you go for charoting, you have a control, you show that ID card. You are very legal. You are doing your referral business. You have a right to go to anywhere around the country and do your referral business. You can do it within 65 countries. But in Italy, if you do it and you use your ID, you get paid, then you are legal. That when you want to renew your papers, you can use it as your contract for renewal. Today, we just had a surprise. Our codes were sent to us. Your code for the last year work. So you can use it to do whatever you want to do, wherever they will ask you for your code. So guys, I just want to encourage someone today that this business is a business for real. It doesn't require any capital to start it. You just have to buy your products, you become part of the company. Any person that has a PIN or a code in Life Plus business, you are a member of the Life Plus company and you can start running with the vision. So guys, I just want to tell you today, we are not joking here. We are here to encourage everyone to make life easy for most of you, that, you know, with the present world situation, companies are closing. We don't even know what we will do to have a contract if you have to go somewhere that they will ask you for contract. Just come to Life Plus, buy your product, and become a bona fide member of the company. There, you start growing your business. You can grow it from any direction, from America, from Canada, anywhere you have customers. You have your code at the end of the year. When other workers are taking their code, you too, you will take your code. So guys, come to Life Plus and join us and become part of the company and enjoy the benefits health-wise, financial-wise, and even social-wise that is existing in this company. Today, I'll show you how I'm doing my freshen up. That is the Excel that I take every day, mostly when I'm going out for my business. I fill my cup and I put water with my Excel. This is to help my blood to circulate easily and good for the day. I have a full blood circulation, no hitches on my arteries. That will make me have pains. You know, when your body is paining, Maybe there's a spot that your blood is not flowing well. This is not for people that are fat. It happens to everybody. So come to Life Plus, buy your XL, and makes your blood flow easily. Boss Lady Isabella, show our viewers how you prepare your breakfast every morning and what it is doing for you. Guys, if you see me on this platform, you are my friend, you are my family, call me. It is real. It is truth. We are not lying. Come here and enjoy your life. Thank you very much. Boss Lady Isabella, show our viewers how you prepare your
Thank you very much, Boss Lady. My name is Isabella. I live in Italy. I'm so very happy to be in this beautiful company. I want to show you guys how I prepare my breakfast in here. There is already water inside my cup here. This is my daily biobasic. And my is later, after 30 minutes, I will take my every palm oil. I'm taking my daily biobasic now. I take 1 spoon in the morning, 1 spoon in the evening. Guys, it's good for us to take our breakfast in the morning. It's not by taking pounded yam or rice. As you can see, I give it a beautiful shake. Oh my goodness. Can you see it, guys? Please come aboard. This is a great, good breakfast for somebody's health. It's not by taking egg and bread and all the other things. This one is good for me to go for the day. I want to pass it to my boss lady, Miriam. Thank you, guys.
I live in Germany, a mother of 3. I'm here this morning to show you how I make my breakfast. This is my daily biobasic and my iron plus. So what I have in here is blended cucumber. I've blended it already. So all I need to do is just to add a scoop, 1 scoop of daily biobasic. Into my cup. Then I give it a nice shake. And I'm good to go for the day. And it's very healthy and easier than Indomie and hamburger. Try it, guys, and you'll see the benefits of it. And please, if you are here, my viewers, if you are on my profile, you see me, yeah, contact me so that you can be a part of this great company and also enjoy the benefits from it. Thank you very much. And I pass the mic to Cynthia, Boss Lady Cynthia. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning, my viewers. My name is Cynthia. I live in Italy. This morning, I'm about to show you how I take my daily biobase. In here, I have water already. Then I take my daily. A spoonful of daily, and I put it inside the water. And I give it a very good shake. Sorry, he's my baby. She wants to join me. And you are good for the day. So it's very, very healthy. And if you see me, you know me and my friend and well wishers on Facebook, and you want to enjoy this same product I do enjoy and get the benefits I'm getting, inbox me. Thank you.
Here, they are showing you how they prepare. Wow, wow, wow. As you can see, all our ladies here, they are showing you how they do prepare their breakfast every morning before they do their house job or before they go out for their work. Guys, if you are watching us, it is not just to watch us and say, I want to do it within yourself. Somebody met me yesterday. I want to join it. You are seeing us on Facebook, guys. Come along and join us so that you improve your nutrition. We have another boss lady here, boss lady Miriam, who is ready to show us how she makes her breakfast. Boss lady Miriam, you were off a little bit. Just come on and show our viewers how you prepare your breakfast, please.
Okay, thank you, my boss lady. Good morning, all. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. This morning, I'm going to show you how I make my own breakfast. In here, I have already blended my smoothie, my juice. This is blackberry, blueberry, and green berry. So all of them are here, as you can see it now. So I'll use it for my daily basis. I use 1 scoop in the day and 1 scoop in the evening because it's 2 a day. So 1 is okay for me for the morning. Then I shake it. It's good to go. Can you see the color? Very nice and yummy. Please,
wow,
if you know me,
wow. It's so yummy.
If you're interested in, yeah, very, very yummy. Contact me. My name is Anukweme Miriam Ozioma Mimi on Facebook. Contact me. I will show you the way to this amazing opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my boss lady. As you can see, if you know any of them, if you have seen them and they are your friends on Facebook, please contact them. They are here to help you. They are here to guide you. Our company is not a shop that you go out and check for the company to buy. It is a referral marketing that somebody in this company must refer you to get into the company. So guys, don't forget what I just told you today. Don't listen to bring 2 people, let them bring another 2 people. It is a lie. We are here. We are doing real business. What you just need to do, consume your products, buy your product. It's like your house rent. If you have a shop, your house rent, you pay it every month. You buy your product, that is what makes you a bona fide member. Then you refer somebody and you receive money at the end of the month. We have percentages from country to country. It depends from where you are coming from. Guys, just jump in and become part of us. People are making money in this business and they are living their lives, traveling to everywhere. There are levels in this business where you reach. Because of the pandemic, you see us online. But when this pandemic is over, you will see us traveling to UK because we are members of this company. You see us traveling to the United States. You will see us even in a ship cruise. Why? Because we are bona fide member of this company. So please inbox us. Everybody you see here, go back to the other videos. If you don't know anybody here, go back to the other videos, because if you see this video, it means you are a friend to somebody that is on this platform. So go back and look who you know, call them, let them make you part of our benefits. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day and goodbye. Bye-bye.